vraiment il présente son pays, son Sénégal, d'une manière magnifique, c'est extraordinaire.
Effectivement.
J'adore.
This is where I meet Mohamed. We're in Senegal, West Africa, up the Casamance River on the waterfront of Ziguinchor, the region's capital. And what's it like here? Well, let me explain.
So this has to be one of the coolest anchorages I've been to in my travels. I'm right here in front of this nice luxury hotel where I can place my dinghy, have a beer, walk to all the convenient places. Today I went to grocery store with a motorcycle taxi. Took me there and back. Cost me $1.50. It's fantastic. There's a bank machine nearby. There's a gasoline station where I can do fill up with diesel. Oh, it's right there. And this place is just amazing. I would never have thought. And it's like I'm in the wilderness, but yet at the same time, I'm in the middle of civilization, cool civilization. And the people here are so nice, so handsome, so beautiful. Just nice. Here's my little spot there. And my beer is coming. Merci beaucoup de relief. This is a really good restaurant called Perroquet. It's a nice bar with a beach. Here's a little place where you can get bread, and eggs, things like that, some drinks, smokes if people smoke. And right here is George's restaurant, right here.
And this is the place that would change my world. This is where I happened to start a conversation over lunch with this man, Mohamed.
All right, everybody. This is my new friend. Super cool, Mohamed I. He's gonna be my guide around here in Ziguinchor because he's an important dude. He's responsible for the IT for the city. And we're gonna do some special episodes about this place here. Right now I'm showing him around Galopin.
Oh, Alex, ton pâté est magnifique. Franchement.
You like it?
Yeah, I like.
Tu parles un petit peu d'anglais? You speak a little bit of English?
Hello, everybody.
That's enough.
Ça, c'est la cuisine, there's a kitchen.
Ouais. Regarde, c'est magnifique. J'aime bien. Hein.
Moi je suis les Français, ici nous le Sénégal. Voilà, on est connus devant la France. Hein.
Là, tu es bien. Et bien calé là.
Ah ouais?
Quand tu te réveilles, ça met au miroir. Ça te permet de bien truc le visage.
Okay, Alex is a good friend. He's a good friend.
Yeah, I think we're gonna
My
have
best friend, man. Alex.
I think we're gonna make good friends here.
Mohamed works here, the city's mayor's office. He runs the IT department and the archives, stacks of papers he's charged to digitize and bring into the modern world. He studied mathematics and computer sciences from the University of Ziguinchor, where he graduated several years ago. He's been enthusiastic in local politics and has high aspirations. We're on our way to a favorite spot of his up the river's shore, a short motorcycle ride away. Take it away, Mohamed. I have a feeling Mohamed is going to have me experience things most foreigners don't. I'm thrilled he's in the driver's seat. He doesn't drink, so I can.
Alex, my good friend.
Qu'est-ce que tu nous as montré là de ta ville?
Bon, là, c'est juste pour avoir une bonne vision du fleuve. Okay. Et là, en fait, on est au dernier, je peux dire le dernier quartier qui, après, tout le reste de l'eau.
Mohamed's going to show us his city of Ziguinchor.
Yeah. Nous sommes à l'autre côté du fleuve, tout à fait à Goumel. Comme on le dit souvent, l'eau est source de vie.
Ouais.
Voilà, donc là, si vous voyez bien, il y a autant de poissons même dedans.
Donc là, je suis avec Alex, hein, mon ami, voilà, pour un peu faire découvrir voilà, cette belle ville, cette belle nature naturelle, voilà, de la Casamance naturelle, okay, la capitale du Sud, Ziguinchor.
That was a very chilled spot. And it's the weekend. He suggested the complete opposite, a tour of the city's nightlife. Mohamed is so enthusiastic about his city and environment. I don't need to drink to get buzzed when I'm with him. That was fun, but after Cape Verde, I'm over the party scene for now.
Il y a encore beaucoup de choses que tu vas montrer.
Bien sûr.
Ouais.
However, Mohamed had another party in mind for me.
Today I've been invited to a wedding. A Senegalese wedding by Mohamed. So his cousin is getting married and he asked me if I wanted to go. And of course I want to go to a Senegalese wedding, an African wedding. I've never been. So I'm pretty psyched up, dressed as nice as I could, because what, Africans, man, they really dress nice. What do you think? Look okay? Presentable? All right.
You know the thing about
I wanted to bring a gift to the newlyweds, so he suggested we bring drinks. And Roger here was our transporter. He's a moto taxi man, like an Uber kind of. We're out in the suburbs to meet up with Mohamed's cousin, brother of the groom. He's taking us to the celebration now.
Shemi dakpa. Some say I go back balada. Body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shemi dakpa.
Here we are with Papis. That's the groom's brother.
Voilà, nous sommes là. Avec le marié. Oui. Hein? Oui. C'est lui, voilà. C'est lui qui va se marier. Ok, c'est comme ça.
This is the groom, Mola. And the beautiful bride, Sebabu. Most places I go with Mohamed, he holds an audience. He's quite the public figure. Everybody seems to know Mohamed, and I'm his super lucky foreign sidekick. I love it.
Regardez-moi ça. Cher ami.
Ouais,
Mohamed. Badji.
c'est monsieur, lui.
Qui m'amène là, il me fait vraiment une présente son pays, son Sénégal, d'une manière magnifique, c'est extraordinaire.
Effectivement.
J'adore.
Et là, on est en grand mariage.
Ouais, on attend l'électricité pour mettre la musique.
Effectivement. Ouais.
Ça va venir.
Le mariage est dur là.
See me rolling on a moon on my.
These are all the gifts for the brides. I only brought some drinks and water. Yet, I will have an opportunity to offer a really cool gift later. The people here are part of an ethnic group called Diolas. These ladies are all wearing colors of their neighborhoods. They are the majority here amongst several other groups. The Diolas are reputed for their loyalty, drive, and honesty. And Mohamed is living proof of that. It's a kaleidoscope of colors, man. A parade of beauty. I'm in photo heaven here. Here religious differences get along fine. There's Muslim, Christians, and pagans. All are friends. An example for tolerance and kindness, no?
Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me, say she feeling them.
Here, the ladies are preparing food for everyone. And there's a lot of people. Apparently, there should be music playing. A DJ was hired, but the neighborhood power supply was down. No juice. I wish I had my generator to lend them, but it was broken. And this is where part 2 of my gift comes. Someone had a generator, and it would cost about $20. I jumped on the occasion and offered to pay. Everyone thanked me. The groom, his brother, the family elder, all thanked the white dude. I saved their party, they said. What an honor. I bought a few more beers and relished in the Diola vibe. I don't know what's going on here. It's a traditional wedding custom, it seems.
Right. Every other day, me a day with the family. Yeah. Telling me a place for the KCR story. Right. Say me no high, me no bully. Me a fi cool on things, it's a rule on things. When you pull on things, get away from me. Mull on things, tell me who run things, cause the rule on.
And the bride and groom are exquisite. They keep showing off different outfits of colors. I am living in a dream right now.
You be greater. Tell me why.
Thank you, heavens, for offering me Mohamed as my guide here. I can truly say I am blessed.
Let me see she feeling them. Ain't worth a mile, it's a million them. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mine worth a die, yeah, she killing them. Say baby, I. Yeah, man, it's a yeah, man. A papa boy living, yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a yeah, man. We can't show you what the yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a yeah, man. A papa boy living, yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a yeah, man. Me can't show you what the yeah, man. Things, it's a rule on things. When you pull on things, get away from me. Mull on things, tell me who run things. Cause the rule on things is the king. This thing's greater than paper. Me one day with my maker. You feel say you be greater. Tell me why. Oh no. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she feel.
Here is a food parade non-stop. They kept coming. And we were well served. Senegalese food is so tasty. Oh.
So good.
Mine what the die, yeah, she killing them. Say baby, I.
And here we share. This is unity, folks. Kids love staring at the tubab. That's what they call white folks here. I'm an alien. This has been what I've always dreamed of when visiting Africa. To be in the middle of real folks, to see, hear, listen, and eat what they offer, what they have, to feel included, accepted, and treated so kindly and so well. Really, this is a dream come true for me. And my dream, I think, is just beginning.
Oh no! Generator's down. C'est fini, plus de gasoil?
Non.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.